Hello everyone, welcome to your Watch Me First for week 5. As always, this Watch Me First is going to be posted on the very top over here. What do we have this week? This week we have two things to do. One is your chapter 4 quiz and the other is your final research question. So let's talk about each one of them. For the chapter 4 quiz, you have an outline, you have a PowerPoint, and you have your video that goes. Chapter 4 is most about reliability and validity. Please make sure you understand the difference between reliability and validity because you're going to get questions asking what's the difference, right? So that is important for you to know that reliability is the consistency of an instrument that what it measures. And validity is, does it measure what it's supposed to measure? So there is a difference between the two. So those things, and then you have your chapter 4 quiz, which is 20 points total, and it is either multiple choice or true and false. It's timed to 2 hours, 1 attempt, open book. And the other thing that you have is your final research question. In this case, you are basically taking your final research question that you got from your discussion board, copy paste it here with the type of study that you have. And that's it. That's all that is there for your final research question. So I'm going to open this up. So this is where it is. So you can see that you just paste it, you put your research question, and then you put what the type of study it is. It talks about looking at the rubric. So if you look at the rubric, so if your research question has been approved, then I have already basically looked at the rubric to tell you that your research question is good. But if you have any questions about it, please feel free to post and let me know about it. So this is for your qualitative research question. You don't have to have sub questions. You could just have a central question, but this is all the things that need to be there for you to get the full credit. And for a quantitative research question, these are all the things that you need for you to get full question. If it's a mixed methods, then I look at a combination of both of those questions. Okay, so that is your rubric for your final research question. So if you have an approved research question, you basically are getting double points for it because you are just copy pasting that research question here. So this week, chapter 4 quiz and your final research question. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to post them on the course question discussion board. Forward to let's beginning this journey. Well, it's already begun, but now that you have your research question, you're going to go ahead with it. So best of luck.